In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for affiliate marketing fast and easy. Google Trends is a fantastic tool that helps you keep your finger on the pulse of what people are searching for at any given moment. By understanding these trends, you can tailor your marketing strategy to match what's currently hot, driving more traffic and potentially more sales. Let's dive into the steps and explore how you can harness on this powerful tool. First, you'll want to navigate over to Google Trends. You can do this by simply typing Google Trends into your search bar and clicking on the first result. Once you're on the home page, you'll be met with a search bar. This is where you type in the keyword for the topic you're interested in promoting. It could be anything related to your niche, perhaps a product you're affiliated with, or a trending market topic. After entering your keyword, click on the Explore button to go further into the analysis. Now you need to select the location that's relevant to your target audience. Google Trends allows you to narrow down the data to specific countries. For instance, if you are targeting an international market, you might want to click on Worldwide to get a global perspective on the interest in your chosen keyword. This step is crucial for identifying the geographical variations in search interest, which can significantly impact your marketing approach. The next things you should check are the Related Topics and Related Queries sections. These areas provide insights into what other similar searches people are conducting, and they can be gold mines for content ideas. If you see that certain queries are gaining traction, that might suggest an opportunity to include those terms in your content strategy, whether that means writing a blog post, creating a YouTube video, or engaging on social media. Comparison is another key feature of Google Trends. You can compare your initial keyword against others to see how it stacks up. This can help you decide whether you should shift your focus to a different keyword that's on the rise. You can do this by typing in additional keywords in the Compare section and observing the data patterns. Furthermore, selecting Rising under Related Queries will show you which search terms are currently gaining popularity, allowing you to catch the wave of a growing trend before it peaks. This is an essential move to make sure your content remains relevant and visible. Finally, before diving in headfirst and promoting a product based on a trend, you'll want to validate the demand. Investigate if the trend is stable or just a fleeting moment. Once you've confirmed the trend's relevance and consistency, plan your content strategy around top-performing and seasonal keywords, incorporating them into all your media outlets such as blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media updates. By doing so, you'll align your efforts with what's trending, staying ahead of the competition. And there you have it. Follow these steps to leverage Google Trends effectively, and you'll find yourself better equipped to enhance your affiliate marketing strategy with timely, relevant content.